Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So today in this video I am going to demonstrate on implementation of random forest algorithm. So before implementation of random forest algorithm, let us first know about random forest algorithm, which mainly comes under nonlinear classification algorithms of supervised machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Types of machine learning classification algorithms. So machine learning classification algorithms are divided into two types. They are linear models and non-linear models. Linear models mainly consist of logistic regressions and support vector machines. Non-linear model consists of naive Bayes classifier algorithms, k-nearest neighbors, decision trees, and random forest. So let us know about random forest classification algorithm. So what is random forest algorithm? Random forest is a supervised learning algorithm which is used for both classification as well as regression. But however, it is mainly used for classification problems. As we know that forest is made up of trees and more number of trees means more robust forest. Similarly, random forest algorithm creates decision trees on data samples and then gets the prediction from each of them and finally selects the best solution by means of voting. It is an ensemble method which is better than a single decision tree because it reduces the overfitting by averaging the results. So let us know the working of random forest algorithm. Here is a block diagram of working of random forest algorithm. So we can understand the working of random forest algorithm with the help of following steps. The first step is start with a selection of random forest samples from the given dataset. Next, this algorithm will construct a decision tree for every sample, then it will get the prediction result from every decision tree. In step 3, voting will be performed for every predicted result. And the last step, select the most voted prediction result as the final predicted result. So now let us know the advantages of random forest algorithm. The following are the advantages of random forest algorithm. The random forest algorithm overcomes the problem of overfitting by averaging or combining the results of different decision trees. Random forests work well for large range of data items than a single decision tree. Random forest has less variance than a single decision tree. Random forests are very flexible and possess high data accuracy. Scaling data does not require in random forest algorithm. It mainly maintains the good accuracy even after providing the data without scaling. Random forest algorithm maintains the good accuracy even large proportion of data is missing. So for the implementation of random forest algorithm, I am going to use the Python IDE as Jupyter. For this implementation, I am going to select an age group prediction as an example. I am going to give the sample dataset as input, which mainly consists of years and an age group. So for this, first let us begin with importing the necessary packages. So we have imported the necessary packages. So next, I'm going to give the head names. As my dataset does not contain the head names, so I have given the head names, so it will include in my given sample dataset. As my dataset name is age underscore random forest underscore 2, so I'll be selecting this name and I'll be pasting here dot .csv to include the head names. Give name equal to head name. So here from sklearn model selection import train set and test plus. So for training it will take as 70% and for testing it will take as 30%. So now we have to apply our random forest classifier algorithm. Let's predict. Next, let's check the accuracy of the algorithm. The accuracy of algorithm is almost 0.9. That means 90% of my algorithms is working much better by giving this as a data set. As you can see that my dataset contains almost 31 rows. So for this, let's check and predict the year so that it has to give the perfect age group for that respective year. So let's check for year 1995. Sorry guys. Yes, for the year 1995, it has to be the adult. So let's check in a dataset for the year 1995. So here you can see that 1995 lies between these two. So it has to be the adult. And let's now check for the year 2007. So the algorithm is giving output as teen. So for the year 2007, it has to be teen. So this algorithm works perfectly and gives the accuracy of 90%. Thank you all for watching my video. If my video is helpful, then please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more technical videos like this.